happen, YouTube? And what are you gonna get?
Skittles. Okay, what do you want?
I want a Kit Kat. The last one there. And a granola.
No, hold on. We don't know if this one's gonna work. This is a broken one Josh took a bite out of. My baby brother took a bite out of it. So what do you want? Kit Kat?
Yeah, Kit Kat. Word.
I got two of them. Wait, hon, just leave it. Leave it. Look at money. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get C7. Okay, what do you want?
I'm gonna get a 7X.
We have you get one more thing and then there's last orange.
I just want to go get soda. Okay.
Come on. You get one more thing. And then we'll share soda or something.
Okay. I want a granola. Nah, I want a granola.
You sure? I'm gonna give you some pieces. M&M's actually.
On a D.
Yeah, no. Hold on, I'm gonna random it. Okay, are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. Oh, you got a cinnamon roll. Okay, now. You got a cinnamon roll, dude. Okay, get your stuff and we're going.
I got my.
You know you're still recording.
I know. Why?
The thing is, you're recording nothing.
The same.
Okay, now let's go get soda. Let's run. Exactly, no, we're not running. Yeah, there's one to clean up here right there. Look at these snacks. Now show me some. Show what you got. You got a Kit Kat, and you got a friggin', what is that called again? Oh, cinnamon roll. Why would that be in a vending machine?
From Texas.
And look, it says ice and vending right there. Even though that's
Yeah.
yeah. Imagine food from powder commercial.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Sprite?
oh wait, no.
We don't have the next one.
What is it?
50 cents.
Sold out. House. It's sold out. Okay. We're going back this way. Yeah, go this way. Oh, we still got another $1. Fine. Do not press on record. And it's good. So we're running. We're just going. I don't know what this will be.
Trying to keep it still as I can.
I don't know. What should this one be?
What do you want to do?
I don't know.
Doritos?
No, we already have Doritos. Well, we have our own Doritos. Let's get
Jesus?
We're getting
M&M's.
no hot. Oh, really? Oh, God, I cursed the M&M's. Yo, dirt. Okay, let me see this thing. Okay, that's enough for your recording. Since you're just bad at it. Even though I've had to redo this 3 times today.
Pinky finger.
Boy, I could make a really bad racist joke right now. But dang it, I'm gonna make it after this. Hold on. I'm gonna whisper it. Fine. Okay, let's hope you guys didn't hear that. If you did, then I'm screwed for life. And then I'm gonna get a bunch of hate from, I'm not gonna say it, people. A different type of people. And yeah, I'm not telling you that.
And his channel is Gamer2000. Subscribe now, please.
Okay, I don't care.
Subscribe to my channel, please.
I just uploaded yesterday, so I actually can't do it. That's when there's rotten egg. I won.
That was time.
The door was left open. Okay then. Well, say peace. Peace.